Spaz teaches Sweetie Pie how to climb up into their cage. This is one reason why it's good to get your bird a companion, so they can socialize together and learn from one another, and it stimulates their mind. Obviously, as some of you know, I got Spaz first, and he had the roost for about 3 weeks before Sweetie Pie came along. You don't see it, but once she gets to the top and stalls, Spaz flies out of the cage, back down, and then you'll get to see him show her how to do it again. Also, if you make it this far in the video, I am sorry that I done this upright like a short. I didn't expect him to fly back down and re-show her, and I wanted you guys to see it all in full